Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can anonymously view stories in Telegram. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video. Also write comments after watching. Let's get started. So, friends, first of all, open the Telegram app and then open any story at the top. And now, friends, in order for you to maintain your anonymity when you're viewing a story, you're gonna need to click on these three dots at the top. And then select Hide My Browsing. And as you can see, this way you can hide, first of all, your views for the last 5 minutes. So if you viewed someone else's stories before that, they'll be hidden as well. And also hide your story views for the next 25 minutes. If you are happy with this option, click Hide View. Confirm your action. And that way, friends, you can continue to safely view your stories anonymously. In this simple way, you can easily view your Telegram history anonymously. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, write comments, and see you soon.